If you want to declutter and simplify your Hisense Google TV's home screen and switch to a minimalistic look, then let me show you how easily you can achieve that by turning on apps only mode on your Hisense TV. To turn on or turn off app only mode from the home screen, just click on your profile photo, then go to Manage Accounts, select your account, scroll down and find app only mode. Just toggle it on by pressing OK, and it will give you the overview of app only mode. And as you can see here, the search function and Google Assistant will be disabled in this mode. But this still may work for some TVs, so let's just turn it on and see how our TV looks. And here's the simple look that you'll get in app only mode, where you'll just see all your apps in one space and no recommendations or clutter. You can also rearrange the apps by holding OK on one of them, then selecting Move. Now you can move around using the arrows and press OK again to confirm. This way, you can bring your favorite apps to the front. And when you're done, just press the back button to exit out of this mode. And if you try using Google Assistant, it will say this is not available in this profile. And if you want to turn off apps only mode, then just come back to the same place and toggle it off. And that's how you can simplify your Hisense Google TV's experience by turning on app only mode. If you found this useful, let us know by dropping a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.